Hello students. Yesterday we have studied about AND gate and we have used IC 7408. This IC 7408 can be used to perform AND gate function. Okay, IC 7408 is a quad 2 input AND gates. Quad means 4. So this IC consists of these 4 gates 1, 2, 3, 4. Pin number 7 is for ground and pin number 14 is for plus VCC. So yesterday we have studied how to connect AND gate and how to verify the truth table of AND gate. The logic equation for AND gate is y is equal to a into b. So for 0 0 conditions, if inputs are 0 0, output is 0 into 0 0. Then for 0 1 conditions, that is if a is 0 and b is 1, then 0 into 1 0. Okay, for 1 0 the output is also again 0 because 1 into 0 0. And for 1 1 conditions, that is when both inputs are high, then output is high because 1 into 1 1. Okay, in this way we have verified the truth table of AND gate using IC 7408. Now today we are going to start or verify OR gate. So to verify OR gate, we use IC 7432. It is for OR gate. This IC also consists of 4 OR gates. The pin connections or pin diagram of IC 7432 is shown here. This IC is 14 pin IC, and in first OR gate, pin number 1 and 2 are inputs, pin number 3 outputs. Similar to 7408, similar to AND gate. Okay, now in second OR gate, pin number 4 and 5 are inputs, pin number 6 output. Okay, so we can choose or we can select any one out of these 4 OR gates and verify its truth table. Okay, pin number 7 for ground, pin number 14 for plus VCC. Okay, so see here OR gate. What is the logic equation for OR gate? The logic equation for OR gate is y is equal to a plus b. So see the truth table here. If inputs are low, that is both inputs are low, 0 0, then output should be 0 because 0 plus 0. Y is equal to a plus b, so 0 plus 0 0. Okay, now any one input is high. Suppose b input is high and a input is low, then 0 plus 1 1. Okay, now if a is 1 and b is 0, then 1 plus 0 again 1. Okay, output goes 1 or high. Okay, now when both inputs are high, that is 1 plus 1, then 1 plus 1 1, that is high plus high high. Okay, so 1 plus 1 1. So in this way the truth table can be prepared and we can verify. This truth table can be prepared with the help of logic equation. So you should know the logic equation for each gate. So for OR gate, the logic equation is y is equal to a plus b. For AND gate, the logic equation is y is equal to a into b. So see how to make the connections. So here today we use IC 7432 to perform OR gate or to verify OR gate. Okay, so here this is a breadboard and IC 7432 is connected here. Okay, one side there are 7 pins and for other sides there are again 7 pins. So this is a U sign, and from left side we count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. So U sign is at left side. Here this is a small U sign in middle of this IC and there is one dot here. Okay, so this is pin number 1. So from left side we count pin numbers. Okay, so connect first pin number 14 to plus VCC. This is a ground line and this is plus VCC. Okay, so first connect pin number 14 to VCC line, plus VCC line. Okay, then pin number 7 pin number 7 to the ground, pin number 7 to ground. So this is pin number 7, and I connect here this pin number 7 to the ground line. Okay, so this is a ground line, and this is plus VCC line. Okay, now I connect here positive terminal of the power supply, positive terminal of the power supply 5 volt DC to this positive line, and I am connecting to the power supply, but power supply should be off. Okay, then I connect negative terminal of the power supply to the pin number 7. This is a negative terminal. So in this way, first we connect the power supply to pin number 7 and pin number 14 of IC 7432. Okay, now I will use first OR gate. So in first OR gate, pin number 1 and 2 are inputs of OR gate, and pin number 3 is output. So I am connecting here one wire to pin number 1. This is input A. This is input A. Then I am again connecting second wire to the pin number 2. This is input B. Okay, this is A and this is B. And pin number 3 is outputs. So I am connecting one 330 ohm resistor, orange brown, to the pin number 3. See here, each row is vertically short, therefore the pin is connected to these holes. Okay, so I am connecting here 330 ohm resistor to the pin number 3. So the 330 ohm, one end of 330 ohm is connected to pin number 3, which is output of first OR gate. Then second end of 330 ohm is connected to, I have to connect to LED anode. So this long leg is anode and short leg is cathode. So this anode or this long leg is connected to the second end of LED of 330 ohm resistor, and cathode of LED is connected to the ground. Okay, cathode of LED is connected to the ground. So in this way we make the connections. You can connect second OR gate also, and connections are similar, but inputs will be pin number 4 and 5, and output will be pin number 6. Okay, now I am switching on the circuit, and we can verify the truth table of OR gate. So power is switched on. Now here, see here, these both inputs are open, A and B are open, so this becomes 1 1. So this, see the last step. So for 1 1 output is high, so LED glows. So for 1 1, that is 1 plus 1 1. So here we get high output, or output is 1. Okay, now see the first step. So both inputs should be low. So we connect these inputs to the ground line. So when inputs are connected to ground, then the input becomes low or 0 0. Okay, so see here, okay, 0 0. So when inputs are 0 0 or low, then output is low. So LED remains off, means output is low. Now input A is 0, and B is 1. Okay, B is 1. So 0 plus 1 1. Okay, output goes high, that is output is high or 1. So for 0 1, A is 0 because it is connected to ground, and B is high, B is 1 because it is open. Okay, so 0 1 1. Now 1 0, 1 0. See here, for 1 0 output is 1 because 1 plus 0 1. And for 1 1 conditions, again output is 1 because 1 plus 1 1. Okay, so in this way OR gate is verified. OR gate is verified. So you must know the logic equation of OR gate. The logic equation of OR gate is y is equal to a plus b. Okay, now you should know the pin out diagram of IC 7432, so that you can make the connections easily by referring the pin diagram. Okay, you can select any one OR gate out of these 4 OR gates. Okay, now we will study about NOT gate. We will study about NOR gate. So I am disconnecting this circuit, and so for NOR gate we use IC 7404. We use IC 7404. See the pin connections of IC 7404. So this IC 7404 is called as Higgs inverter. IC 7404 is called as Higgs inverter. Higgs means 6. So this IC 7404 consists of 6 NOT gates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Pin number 7 for ground and pin number 14 for plus VCC. That is, this pin is connected to the pin number 14 is connected to the positive of 5 volt DC, and pin number 7 to the negative terminal of 5 volt DC power supply. Okay. So out of these 6 NOT gates, you can select any one NOT gate, any one out of these 6. Okay. So see the logic equation for NOT gate or inverter. NOT gate is also called as inverter. So the logic equation for NOT gate is y is equal to a bar, or complement of a. Y is equal to a bar. That is, when input is low, then output is opposite to that of input. So when input is low, output is high. So it inverts the input. Okay. Now if input is high or 1, if input is high, then output is low. So for input is 1, output is 0. If input is 0, output is 1. Okay. So this is the truth table of NOT gate or inverter. Okay. Now we connect NOT gate. See here, this is third IC. It is a 7404, or it is NOT gate IC. This is a NOT gate IC. It is a 14 pin IC. Pin number 14 plus VCC, pin number 7 ground. So first connect pin number 14. This is pin number 1, because notch or U sign is at left side. So count from this from left side. Pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So connect pin number 14 to the positive line of this positive line, and pin number 7 to the ground. So this is pin number 7. I am connecting to the ground line here. Okay. Pin number 7 to the ground line, and pin number 14 to the positive line. So connect a power supply, positive terminal of power supply to pin number 14, and negative terminal of the power supply to the negative line, that is to the pin number 7. Okay. Now here, see here, this is a breadboard, and it's half part. In half part the horizontal line is shorted, and here also in a half part section the horizontal line is shorted, but it is not shorted throughout. This horizontal line is not shorted throughout. So to connect throughout, we connect one wire here from in this way we connect the horizontal line, so that this line is thoroughly shorted. or throughout it becomes shorted. Okay, throughout this line becomes shorted. Again here also, because this IC is mounted out of the half part, so we connect one wire in this way, so that this line also throughout becomes throughout shorted. Okay. So pin number 14 is connected to positive terminal of 5 volt DC, and pin number 7 is connected to negative of the power supply 5 volt. Okay. So in this way, first you have to connect a DC power supply to pin number 14 and pin number 7. Okay. So first connect the power supply in this way. Then see the pin connections or pin out diagram of IC7404. Here there are 6 NOT gates. So you can use any one out of these 6 NOT gates. So I am using first NOT gate. I am using here first NOT gate. So in first NOT gate, pin number 1 of this IC is input of NOT gate, and pin number 2 is the output of this NOT gate or inverter. So connect one wire to pin number 1. Connect one wire to pin number 1. See here, this is pin number 1. This is the input of NOT gate, and pin number 2 is output. So to the pin number 2, I am connecting one resistor of 330 ohm. See here, one leg of a 330 ohm resistor is connected to pin number 2, and its another end of 330 ohm we connect one LED. This long terminal of LED is anode. This is a long terminal or long leg. So this is anode and this is cathode. So connect anode to 330 ohm, and cathode is connected to the ground. Anode is connected to 330 ohm and cathode is connected to the ground. Okay. So pin number 1, it is input. Suppose it is A, then output will be A bar. A bar means if input is 0, output is 1. Now this wire is free. This wire is free means this input is high. If the wire is free, or if the input is free, if it is not connected to ground, then it automatically becomes 1. Okay. I am connecting one. Yes, see here. Now here the input is connected to ground. Pin number 1 is connected to the ground. So input is low. This input is low because this input is connected to ground line. So input becomes low. So when input is low, output is high. LED glows means the output is high. Now when input is 1, that is if this wire is free, this wire is now free, so the input is high. So when input is high, output is low because LED is off. Now when input is low, that is when this pin is connected to ground, pin number 1. If it is connected to ground, then input becomes low, 0. then output becomes high, 1. Now when input is high, output is low. In this way, the truth table of 7404 NOT gate, the truth table of NOT gate is verified. The equation of NOT gate is y is equal to a bar. That is, if input is low, output is high. If input is high, output is low. Okay, you can select other NOT gate also, another NOT gate. See, second NOT gate. So in second NOT gate, pin number 3 is input and pin number 4 is output. Okay, so pin number 4 is output and pin number 3 is input. Okay, so see the connections. Here I am connecting pin number 7 to the ground line, pin number 7 to ground, and pin number 14 to plus VCC. Then connect one wire to pin number 3, which is input of second NOT gate. This is the input of second NOT gate, and pin number 4 is output. So connect 330 ohm resistor to pin number 4. Okay, and in series with this resistor, I am connecting one LED, anode to the resistor, second end of resistor, and cathode to the ground. Okay, so now this input is high, so output should be low. So output is low. Okay, now if input is low, output should be high. Pin number 3. This wire should be connected here, because this line is not throughout shorted. So one wire should be connected so that this horizontal line completely becomes shorted. Okay, एक वायर अशी जोडावी लागेल जेणेकरून पूर्ण लाईन शॉर्ट होईल, हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईन. ती पूर्ण हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईन शॉर्ट होण्यासाठी तुम्हाला एक एक्स्ट्रा वायर अशी एका एंडपासून दुसऱ्या एंडला अशी जोडावी लागेल, म्हणजे ही लाईन पूर्ण शॉर्ट होते. जर तशी जोडली नाही तर फक्त निम्मा पार्ट हॉरिझॉन्टली शॉर्ट होत असतो, असा हॉरिझॉन्टली, आणि निम्मा पार्ट फक्त शॉर्ट होत असतो. जर तुम्हाला पूर्ण वापरायचं असेल, म्हणजे पूर्ण लाईन शॉर्ट करायची असेल, तर एक वायर अशी जम्पिंग वायर तुम्हाला इथं जोडावी लागेल. तशी जम्पिंग वायर अगोदर जोडावी लागते. ओके, सब पहा आता या ठिकाणी पिन नंबर 3 काय केलेली मी ग्राउंड केलेली आहे. पिन नंबर 3 ही पहा, हे पिन नंबर 3 ग्राउंड केलेली आहे, म्हणजे इनपुट लो झालेलं आहे म्हणून आउटपुट हाय मिळते. आता मी ही वायर फ्री ठेवतो, पिन नंबर 3ची वायर. आता इनपुट हाय झालेलं आहे, 1 झालं आहे, म्हणून आउटपुट काय मिळालं 0, म्हणजे LED ऑफ झाला, म्हणजे आउटपुट लो आहे. सो फॉर व्हेन इनपुट इज हाय, आउटपुट इज low, and when input is low, then output is high. So in this way NOT gate is verified. In this way NOT gate is verified. Okay, so we will stop here.